Hello and welcome to week 46 of the Ray of Hope Crochet Along. And it's our final week. We've got 4 rounds left of our outer border and then it's complete. Okay, so what we're doing this week. Okay, so last week we finished round 12, which is a round of puffs. We still have our black yarn connected, which is in round 11 for our V's. And here's a little tip I didn't tell you, was if your bobbles aren't popping through very well, then what can happen is, see this top bit here, that's where your chain 2 is. See that line? If you just kind of fold them over at the back and then they'll pop through. They just need a little help just to pop. That one's there as well. And they should stay put. It just needs that chain 2 folding down the back. Okay, so our last 4 rounds. The first 3 rounds are just repeats of what we've already done. So we're going to be doing another round of V's, exactly the same as before. Then we'll do a round of puffs. Okay, and then another round of V's. So that'll be rows 13, 14 and 15. No increases. Our puffs and the increases we did in the first round of puffs are going to give us all the space we need for us to expand the way it needs to. Okay, so when you've done that, that will be our puffs and V's complete, and then we just need to do our final round. So I'm going to go ahead and do my next round of V's, puffs and V's. So 3 more rounds, and then I shall come back and show you what we do to finish off. I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so I finished our round of V's, and now we go on to our final round. Okay, so after you slip stitch into your beginning the alternate turning chain that you started with, you're going to chain 1, and into that same stitch make a single crochet. Okay, so this is the first stitch of the round. So you're now going to make 2 single crochet in the chain space of the V stitch, and you're going to make a single crochet into the top of the double crochet. So the next stitch is the top of a double crochet again. You're going to single crochet into there, and 2 single crochet in the chain space. Okay, and you're just going to do that all the way around. So it's a nice simple ending, and it just pulls those V's up so they stay upright and your puffs can come through. Okay, so a single crochet into the top of every double crochet, which is the post of the V, and then 2 single crochet into that chain space of each V stitch, and you just do that all the way around until you get back to the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to carry on and do that, and I shall see you when I get back round to that first stitch. I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so I've got back to the beginning of the round, and I've joined into the first single crochet with a slip stitch. And that is it. That's the final round. Your Ray of Hope blanket is now complete. You just need to finish weaving in those ends. I really hope you've enjoyed this project. It was a really fun one for me to put together. And yeah, I hope you can see how it's based on a stained glass window. So I hope to see you soon, and I really hope you enjoy this project, and we'll see your beautiful blankets around for years to come. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again very soon. Bye for now.